Hello viewers. Today I will be teaching how to create drip effect portrait in Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now select the subject using Quick Selection tool. Once the subject is selected, then click on Refine Edge button to select the subject precisely as I do. Right-click and click on Copy via Layer. Now delete the old image. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the size of the image. Now drag and drop the splash effect file into Photoshop. Download link is in description. Adjust the size and rasterize layer. Now select Magic Wand tool and select the black part. Right-click and click on Layer via Cut option. Now delete the layer which contains black part. Select the drip image layer and press Ctrl+T and adjust the size as you want. Press and hold Ctrl key and click on the drip layer. Now select the image layer and press Delete. Press Ctrl+D to deselect everything. Delete the drip layer. Add new layer and fill it with white color. Add a gradient layer and choose the background color of your choice. Change style to radial and click on reverse option as I do. You can adjust the amount of gradient by dragging button. Now drag and drop the splash effect image and adjust its size. Download link is given in video description box. We are done here. Now let's look at the final result. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.